Welcome to my YouTube channel Science Academy. Today we will study about chemical bonds. First of all, we will study the learning points of chemical bonds, state the three types of bonding and whether metals and non-metals are involved. Second one is define each type of bonding in terms of electrons. In third, we will explain the arrangement of joint ionic and covalent structures. First of all, we will study what are chemical bonds. Chemical bonds can be generally described as an attraction between two or more atoms. The electrons in atoms are key to the atom's ability to bond. There are three main components in chemical bonds. First one is electron, neutron and proton. There are three types of chemical bond: covalent, ionic and metallic bond. In this video we will study about the role of metal and non-metals and zero group elements. First one is metals. Metals undergo metallic bonding. Metals are shiny elements which are good conductors of electricity. They have a giant structures and their atoms are arranged in regular pattern. Metals can be found on the left hand side, groups 1 and 2, and in the middle, transition metals of periodic table. Now we will study metallic bonding. The electron from the outer shell of metal atoms become delocalized. They are free to move. The strong electrostatic attraction between the positive ions and negative delocalized electrons resulting in strong metallic bonding. The positive sign indicate the positive metal ions and the red balls revolving around the metal ions are delocalized electrons. Next one is non-metals. Non-metals from the strongest covalent bonds with other non-metal atom, while as covalent bonds are strong. The resultant simple molecules have low melting and boiling point due to weak intermolecular forces between molecules. Non-metals can be found in the earlier period in groups 4 to 7. All of the groups 0 are non-metals but they are inert. Now we will study covalent bonding. A covalent bond is formed when two atoms share a pair of electrons. Usually each atom contributes one electron from their outer shell, but some atoms can react to make multiple covalent bonds. Sharing the electrons provide each atom in the covalent bond with the desirable full outer shell of electrons. Now we will study giant covalent. Giant covalent structures contain many atoms covalently bonded in a regular arrangement. This is known as a lattice. The image shows graphite, which is an allotropy of carbon. Graphite in a pencil is soft because layer of carbon can slide over each other. Metals and non-metals undergo ionic bonding. An ionic bond is the strongest attraction between oppositely charged ions. Metals and non-metals react together to form ionic bonds. Ionic bondings, metal atoms become positively charged ions by losing electrons. Non-metal atoms become negatively charged ions by gaining electrons. The oppositely charged ions are very strongly attracted to each other. This is known as electrostatic attraction. In this example, metal magnesium has transferred 2 electrons to the non-metal oxygen. Magnesium become a positive ion and oxygen become a negative ion. In the last, we will study ionic lattice. Ionic compounds are composed of a regular repeating structure of ions. This is known as a giant ionic lattice. The lattice is held together by electrostatic attraction of oppositely charged ions. Thanks for watching my video and also like and subscribe my channel.